Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your Snapchat password. Alright, so start by opening up the Snapchat app. Tap on it. Now once you're in here, go to the top left and you'll be able to see your Bitmoji or your story in here. Just tap on it, and once done, go to the top right and tap on the settings icon. Tap on it, and in here, as you can see, we have the password section. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then once done, to be able to set a new password, you'll have to enter your current password. Okay, so enter your current password, and then once done, just hit on continue. And in here, it's going to ask you to enter your new password. Just type down your new password and confirm the new password. Just basically retype the password that you just added. And then once done, just hit on save. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. That's how easy it is to change your Snapchat password. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.